guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video series we would be understanding or sharing the production ready notes from starting to the very end, and we would be discussing about each and everything in detail. So let's get started, and from today we would be understanding about what is Salesforce from a technical point of view to a non-technical person, right? So Salesforce is a cloud based platform, right? Everything is accessible on the cloud. We doesn't have to do go and here and there for anything, right? Moreover, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is a CRM, and this is a hype word. CRM stands for your customer relationship management. What does it do? It manages your customer relationship and tracks your customer information, right? So what does it do? It tracks your customer information, organizes that information. Moreover, Salesforce brings together information from all the systems, and what it does do it provides your teams with a single shared view of information, right? Now, what is the major thing that Salesforce do that differentiates it from the other systems or from our legacy systems? So the main point here is it helps work teams work better together. So let's suppose you are having a company which sells laptops. Now in every company there are some major departments. One department would be for sales, other department would be for service, some other department would be for marketing, because these are the backbone pillars for your organization, right? Now what we are gonna do is, this company sells a laptop to your customer A. Now with the help of Salesforce, what we can do is we can track his purchase history, we can track the cases or questions raised. Let's suppose this customer A bought this product, this laptop, right? Now after certain use, this laptop is having some issues. Now this customer would raise a request to your company asking for help on that particular matter. So from your service team, right, from your service team an agent would be assigned for this particular person, right? And this agent would help in sorting the issues for this customer, right? So in all these things we can track when we bought the product, when any query came, at what time, right? What time the query came, and at what time the query got resolved, right? Because a good company is known that only that can resolve the queries of the customers as soon as possible, right? So instead, in this Salesforce, let's suppose before Salesforce, what it was, before Salesforce your data was not organized, right? You were having unorganized data, let's suppose in the form of spreadsheets, right? Spreadsheets, emails. For all these things you had to have a lot of things interlinked, then only you could have checked for other things, right? But from Salesforce you would see one platform where you would find the purchase history, where you would find the cases, where you would find the support offered. So this, what this helps is it reduces the time for your agents, right? Agent response time, right? It reduces the agent's response time in solving your customer queries, and in that way Salesforce benefits from the legacy systems, right? Moving further, what are the key components of Salesforce? So Salesforce is as already told, it's a group of technologies, right? So Salesforce is having certain key areas for your sales and other services to be offered, right? So we are having some particular clouds. Let's suppose sales cloud, we are having service, marketing, commerce, and experience cloud. So what is your Salesforce sales cloud does? So sales cloud basically it deals with your leads, right? It deals with your opportunities, as well as it works on your forecasting, right? And what does service do? As explained, like if any query is there, any cases are raised by the customer, so it deals with this. Your marketing cloud deals with the personalized email marketing or any such kind of things, right, in order to boost your product sales. Commerce cloud deals with your other commerce things like the selling, buying, what are the price quotations, everything deals with your commerce cloud. And your experience cloud, it helps you to brand. What does it do? It helps you to brand your communities for your customers. So it helps in providing branded experience from where your customers can interact with your agents or employees, right? Now these were the key components of your Salesforce. Now what does this key features include for Salesforce is, the main key feature for your Salesforce is customization and development. Salesforce continues with its innovation and growth, where we can create our custom workflows, applications. And what does it do? It provides integration support with other systems, so that we can bring our data from Salesforce, bring data to Salesforce, or we can send out data from Salesforce, right? We are having some custom automations that helps in doing the work faster, like like removing the repetitive things whenever a lead is created or an opportunity is created, right? Mostly in Salesforce we are having admin platform that makes use of your point and click tools. Salesforce is scalable and adaptable. From your small businesses to your larger enterprises, Salesforce supports everyone. It has a system of license based, so based upon your company's uh, growth, your company's earnings, you can scale Salesforce as much as you want. Let's suppose from 500 employees you are starting, up till 5,000 employees, Salesforce would be uh, providing you support with that, right? It is not like you are using Salesforce and now your company size increases, so you have to switch to some other platform, right? Salesforce believe in continuous innovation, because every 3 months we have a Salesforce new release, and each and every time new developments are happening on this platform. That makes it leader in its own domain. Moreover, the user friendly, we are having an interface that is user friendly, and it is easy to understand and start working on. So these were the key features of your Salesforce, and I hope this video was helpful for in order to understand an overview of Salesforce, right? So if you are having any concerns, any questions, do feel free to reach out to me by comments. And if you really enjoyed this video, do give us a like. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.